Ready spaghetti? Spaghetti.
Yeah, I know, I want spaghetti.
We should eat something soon.
We should. We're absolutely in love with Wild Hill Botanicals, based out of Souk on Vancouver Island. The care that goes into these products from Sarah and Teague is amazing, which is why we just can't stop talking about their brand. So many of our customers are pleasantly surprised by the beautiful scents and blends of Wild Hill Botanicals.
What's even better about Wild Hill Botanicals is once we've had a sit down with a customer or client and we've figured out what their skin's needs are, we pair them up with a product from Wild Hill. It's how their skin responds. And because these oil blends and formulas are so beautiful, here's a bunch of things I'm holding right now, we just know it's gonna work for that person, and it's such a good feeling.
And we also hope that this video of the Blackberry Serum and the Wild Rose Neroli Cream and our reviews and thoughts on the products helps you decide if these are a good fit for you or not. The first product that we want to mention is the Blackberry Serum, and after I tell you a little bit about it, we have a testimonial for one of our customers. The key ingredients in this product are blackberry seed oil, which is high in chlorophyll, high in vitamin E, carotenoids, which help protect the skin. This blackberry seed oil is also high in phytosterols. Phytosterols repair the cell's membrane and can promote cell regeneration and boost collagen production. Other oils in this blend include jojoba seed oil, sunflower seed oil, borage seed oil, black cumin seed oil, neem seed oil, plus more beautiful oils. Arnica flower extract is amazing for helping reduce inflammation and puffiness. So, what is the best time to use this product?
The best time to use an oil serum, in my opinion, is in the evenings, after you've wash your face, toned, and do this before you go to bed. After you've had a big day out in the sun, if you're in a particularly dry climate, if you've had a big day out on the mountain. The reason for this is because all of these oils that we just mentioned are going to be very soothing to the skin, calming. Arnica helps to reduce puffiness and inflammation. It'll just help your skin heal a little bit faster after your adventures in the big outdoors.
Something that I personally love about this product is it feels more like a drier oil rather than anything too heavy. And so if you did want to wear this during the day, I find that it sits really beautifully on the skin under makeup. You just might want to give it a few minutes to settle into the skin if you're wearing it during the day. So you might be wondering who this product is for, and to be honest, I think it's for everyone, but those who might really appreciate the benefits of this product is someone with acne-prone skin, someone with a lot of inflammation, someone who has super dry skin that needs that rich moisture and nourishment to their skin, and then also someone who just has like kind of sensitive, reactive, just kind of problematic skin that needs a bit of soothing and comfort.
Who might this not be for is the next question I can hear you asking. I don't know. I mean, I like the smell, but a few people, when they smell this, it's a little bit earthy for them, a little bit too herbally. I think it's the black cumin seed oil in here that some people don't immediately feel drawn to. However, we have had a few customers when they started using the product and they know how beneficial it is for their skin. It really grows on them. But it does have this earthy, little bit spicy scent to it. So if you know you're not a fan of that, then that's the only reason why this might not be for you.
I'm definitely more of, I really like the herby scents, the herby taste, something a little bit more earthy, but I have friends and I know a lot of people who are more on like the floral side of things. So.
This is not floral at all.
Amanda is going to read our testimonial of this product right off of her phone right here.
I figured you might want to hear a straight up real testimonial from somebody who uses this serum. Our friend Ming says, the Wild Hill Blackberry Serum is my go-to daily base moisturizer. I spend a lot of time outdoors. She's a total outdoorsy babe. A lot of time outdoors with exposure to sun and wind. The Blackberry Serum is my saving grace to keeping my skin moisturized and nourished. This serum is thicker than others, and 1 or 2 drops goes a long way. I use it with the Wild Hill Facial Toner, the Nootka Rose Toner. It's the perfect first 2-step skin routine before any cream, sunscreen, or makeup application. That is a damn good testimonial.
We should hire Ming. She knows what she's talking about.
I know, she does know. She surfs, she hikes, she snowboards, she does everything. She's a total outdoor babe. So if you're that person too, I think you'll like the serum as much as Ming does.
The next product that we are mentioning is the Wild Rose and Neroli cream, and this is going to be your water-based moisturizer. So this water-based moisturizer is actually volcanic water, which is super mineral rich. It has 7 fresh organic oils in it. It has organic aloe vera gel. It has rose, neroli, and frankincense. And this is a really beautiful, light, hydrating, moisturizing cream. You might be wondering when the best time to use this product is, in conjunction maybe with the Blackberry Serum.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you're just going to use the Wild Rose Neroli serum on it, or Wild Rose Neroli cream on its own, you can use it day or night. It's great for all skin types actually, and the scent is quite light, so it's like a true rose neroli scent in there. It's beautiful. So beautiful. If you're going to use the serum as well, what I would do, the Blackberry Serum, what I would do is do your cream first, let that soak in, and then seal it all in with your Blackberry Serum. And that would be an evening thing.
So who this cream is good for? We both think that this cream is really great for all skin types. It's super rich and hydrating, rich in I almost want to say rich in properties, not rich in texture.
Yeah.
So that kind of leads me to my next point, is this is also really nice for someone with oilier skin who needs that lighter, more like fluidy texture. This is going to be a really nice cream for that person. And we have another user testimonial from Denise. So Amanda is going to read that off to you.
Yes, Denise is a mother of 2. So she's a busy lady, and she really loves this cream and what she has to say about it. I love this cream for its richness. It's ultra hydrating, and a little goes a long way. It smells beautiful, and it's important to me that this product is all natural and free from harmful chemicals.
We know that some of you are a little bit skeptical when it comes to oil-based products or oil serums, and we want to help you out, and we want to help encourage you to potentially add this to your routine. So if you are feeling a little bit of hesitation towards this type of product, please comment in the comments section below, message us or DM us on Instagram, and we will do our best to help you out when it comes to that concern.
One important feature of the Wild Hill Botanicals packaging is you can notice this dark glass, and there is a point to this. Oils are very sensitive to heat, light, and air, and these guys, they get this dark glass from Europe actually. So this will help keep the integrity of your oils. It'll keep your product fresher longer, and I just think that that's a very thoughtful thing to do when it comes to products, because it went out there in the green beauty world. Not everybody thinks of those things. So if you do see oils in clear glass, you might want to avoid them.
I will also mention that just, you know, from a brand's perspective, that's a higher cost for them. And so when you do see products that are packaged this way, they're spending a little bit more money to be able to do this. So it's definitely a positive thing when things are packaged in darker glass bottles. If you're using creams and serums, but your skin is still feeling dry or flaky, maybe you need to try exfoliating. Watch Do I Need to Exfoliate My Skin video right here.
Okay friends, thanks for listening to our information. We know it was a simple video, but we also know that this information is very, very valuable. So we hope that you walk away with some great tips and decide if this is right for you. Are you ready to make the switch to healthier beauty products? We're constantly curating our online shop with our favorite natural beauty products. We feel confident that you will love everything we have in the store. Visit thegreenbeautycollective.com to have a look for yourself.
If you enjoyed this video, please let us know by liking, commenting in the comment bar, or simply sharing it with your friends, family, and fellow natural beauty lovers.
And as always, we will see you on Tuesday.